Icandelo lotywala lithwaxwe kanobomi intsholongwane yecorona. Umsinga wesibini wokugqugqisa kwele ntsholongwane unyanzelise ukuvalwa kweli candelo lotywala kwakhona. Oosomashishini kunye nabasebenzi abaqeshwe kweli candelo bayaluva ulwamvila lwemiqathango.
Very, very hard, because the thing is that we are closed at work. I can't go to work. And the other thing is that I didn't mind at all because my kids, I have 2 kids and the other one is getting grant. So I didn't mind, but now it's a stress because they have to go to school and I have to buy stationery.
I live with the odd jobs, like go gardens. When I see someone's yard is dirty, I get in and ask for a job. It's how I'm living. Yeah. And my boss, he have children, so he have to provide his children.
Lo somashishini uthi xa ezithengela ukutya kwasendlini uthengela nabasebenzi bakhe ukubancedisa kule meko yokuvalwa kwevenkile yakhe ethengisa utywala.
It's too much. Since March, when this COVID started, it has affected because our income is normal like before. You buy liquor and then the next thing the government shut down. When you look, your stock is expired, we have to throw it away. Even now, like we are going for, when the shutdown came in, we went for the festive season. You have already invested more than 100,000, you bought a stock. But at the end, the president have to close.
Okwangoko somashishini kweli candelo bathi basajonge enkalweni kuloo mhla kuya kuthi kuvulwe ngawo ushishino lotywala.